Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Zoom templates for consistent training recordings, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening the Zoom application on your computer. Sign in to your Zoom account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the settings menu. You can find this option on the left sidebar or by clicking your profile picture. In the settings menu, select the recording tab. This section contains all your recording preferences. Scroll down to the recording templates option. Here, you will see options for managing your templates. Click the button labeled Add Template or Import Template. A file dialog will open, allowing locate the Zoom template file you wish to install. These files typically have the extension .zoom template. Select the file and click Open to import it. The template will now be added to your list. To set it as default, find the template and click on the designated option. Make sure the template is checked to ensure it's active. You can also customize settings further if needed. Once you have configured everything, close the settings window. Your Zoom application is now set up with the new template. For consistent training recordings, open the Zoom meeting as usual. The selected template will automatically apply to your recording. Review your recording settings to ensure everything aligns with your preferences. You are now ready to start recording your training sessions with the new template. Make sure to test the recording process for any adjustments. This will ensure a smooth experience in your upcoming training sessions. That completes the installation of Zoom templates for consistent training recordings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.